How did we turn this into this? This piece for Easter Coffee Club started as something I only saw in my mind, full of doubt, curiosity, and both this even work moments because every new material asks you to believe that whatever you can imagine is real. A curse and blessing for artists. It came together through trial and error and learning in real time, and we were able to pull it off thanks to friends, collaborators, teams, supportive brands, and my husband and his many roles as art director, carpenter, and delivery guy. Because nothing I ever make happens in isolation. Because our Googly team takes care of the shop, I'm able to make time for art, and I'm grateful for that. The 3D printed parts were made using the Bambu Lab H2S and A1. The acrylics were cut with a Flux beamo and Flux Hexa, and the heat transfer vinyl details came together with a Siser Juliet. Easter Coffee is one of those shared spaces we're grateful to build with friends and friends of friends, tucked away in Antipolo, surrounded by greens, good food, and really good coffee. It's a place that reminds us to slow down, breathe, and let ideas unfold in their own time. This is Tippy from the GooglyGooeys, and here's to creating like coffee, best enjoyed slowly, together.